You are currently here in 1A, and in this video we're going to dive into the unit calendar. So I'm going to scroll to the top of the document and we're looking at our calendar for this unit. Now this is just a suggested calendar for how we're going to progress. So for example, we had our first day on Wednesday and we are starting our grid on Monday, and your goal for today that your teacher is setting for you is to finish 1A. You're doing great so far. You're progressing through all the details of 1A. You'll see that in some days there's only one piece that your teacher feels like you should strive to finish, and on other days there might be two that you're going to work to finish. Your teacher is thinking about how long a test might take, how long small pieces are going to require, your background knowledge. And you don't have to be following this calendar. You can be far ahead of this calendar. In fact, you can try and get all the way to your test by tomorrow. However, we really strive to not be behind this calendar. So for example, today, if we don't get all the way through 1A, that would be a good reflection opportunity to think about, did I have a question that I really needed answered that slowed me down? Or should I assign myself homework because I'm falling behind? So as we look here, we really don't want to be more than one step behind. If I get to Thursday and I haven't started level 2, it's a really purposeful opportunity that we can kind of sit back and be like, all right, on the unit calendar it says this. I should be here. I'm actually not that far. Can I make progress by assigning myself homework or working with my teacher during lunch or something along those lines? If I'm ahead of the goal, like let's pretend when I get to Thursday I'm at the end of level 2, then I can celebrate that and I can talk about how I'm going to reach enrichment soon. So it's a really positive opportunity. This calendar is a living and breathing document, and we are going to use it to reflect. Your teacher is going to use it to ensure that we're checking in with you, but it's just going to give us a general idea and where your teacher thinks you should be. You can also note here that your final test, meaning the last day to meet the minimum of our grid, is next Wednesday. So in between here, you can get support in anything you need, but if you haven't taken your test by next Wednesday, when you come in on Wednesday, you will be taking it. This is just a good plan ahead.